Welcome to this ACE Truck Manifest Trade Portal video. This video covers how to create and maintain the manifest elements saved to the carrier account in the Account tab of the Truck Manifest Trade Portal. ACE modernization is ongoing. Screens and functionality are subject to change. The ACE Truck Trade video series includes 3 videos that cover 1. Create and process a manifest. 2. Create and process a bill of lading. And 3. Maintain account data. Reference the Access and Navigate the Truck Manifest Trade Portal training guide for introductory information about the Truck Manifest Trade application. Details to locate this resource will be provided at the end of the video. We will now cover the procedures to create and maintain the manifest elements saved to the carrier account in the Account tab of the Truck Manifest Trade Portal. Let's begin by selecting the Account tab. The Account Information sub-tab displays by default. This account information is updated in the ACE Secure Data Portal and viewed here. On the left, the manifest elements are listed as sub-tabs in the navigation bar. The navigation bar can be expanded to a text view or contracted to the icon view. Crew, vehicles, and commercial parties added in the Account tab are saved to the carrier account. They can be selected and added when completing information for manifests and bills of lading. Manifest and Bill of Lading templates added in the Account tab are saved for use during the Create Manifest and Create Bill of Lading processes to pre-fill the fields contained in the templates. We will navigate each of the sub-tabs as we discuss how to view, add, edit, and delete crew, vehicles, commercial parties, manifest templates, and Bill of Lading templates. We'll select the first sub-tab, Crew. All drivers currently saved to the carrier account display in the crew cards. Crew cards show driver and document information. Use the Edit and Delete icons in the card to edit or delete a particular driver. Selecting the Edit icon opens the crew page for the specific driver and displays the driver and document information. The required fields are marked with an asterisk. In the Documents section, the Delete icon allows deleting the listed document, and the Add New Document button allows adding additional documents. Select the Update button to save any changes. We'll select the Cancel button to return to the crew page. The Delete icon deletes the specific driver after confirmation. It is important to note that a manifest element cannot be deleted if it is associated with a manifest or bill of lading. For example, a driver that has been added to a manifest cannot be deleted from the account. The driver must first be removed or the driver card unselected from the manifest. Use the Search Saved Crews field to search for drivers by name or nickname. As you type, the crew cards matching the search criteria display. Use the Forward and Previous icons to view additional cards. Select the Table View icon to view the saved crew information in a table format. The columns can be sorted in ascending or descending order by selecting a particular column header. If a second column header is selected, it will replace the prior sort. The table may only be sorted by one column at a time. The Edit and Delete icons and search field are also available in the Table View format. Select the Table View icon again to return to displaying the crew cards. The Edit icon, Delete icon, Search Saved field, directional icons, and table view features are available in all subtabs of the Account tab. The screen information differs based on the subtab, but the functionality works the same for these features in all subtabs. Let's go through the steps to add a new driver. We'll select the Create button in the Crew section to create a new driver. The Add Crew page displays. Fast ID drivers and passengers cannot be saved to the account. They are added during the Create Manifest process. The required fields are marked with an asterisk and must be entered. We'll complete the driver information. We'll type the date of birth in 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year format. In the Country of Citizenship field, we will type U.S. As we type, a list of matching countries displays. For accuracy in data entry, select the item from the list. We'll select U.S. United States. For gender, we'll select the Male radio button. In the Documents section, we'll select the Document Type drop-down menu. Depending upon the document type selected, the country and state province fields may display. We will scroll to the bottom and select Enhanced Driver's License. We'll type the document number. For country, we'll type U.S. and select U.S. United States, and for state, we'll type V and select VA Virginia. The Add New Document button allows adding additional documents. At least one document must be added. Although it is not a required field, we will select the Nickname field and type a short name to identify our driver. Our driver information is complete. We'll select the Add button to save the new driver to the carrier account. A crew card for the new driver is added to the Crew subtab. We'll search using the nickname to locate our new driver crew card. Let's move on to the Vehicles subtab. The Vehicles page displays conveyances and equipment saved to the carrier account. The conveyance and equipment cards display in separate sections. Let's add a new vehicle. We'll select the Create button. The Add Vehicles page displays. For part of vehicle, the conveyance option is selected by default. We will keep this option and move forward to select the conveyance type drop-down menu. We will scroll to the bottom and select Tractor. The conveyance number field is optional. We'll complete the required VIN number. The DOT number and transponder ID are optional fields. In the License Plates section, we'll type the license plate number. For country, we'll type U.S. and select U.S. United States. Notice that once we selected a country, the state field is required. For state, we'll type V and select VA Virginia. The Add New License Plate button allows adding additional license plates. The Insurance section allows completing insurance information for hazmat cargo. We are not carrying hazmat material, so we will skip this section. Our conveyance information is complete. We'll select the Add button. A vehicle card for the new conveyance is added to the Vehicle subtab, and the conveyance is saved to the carrier account. If the vehicle is only a conveyance, such as a box truck, a related equipment vehicle is not added. In this example, we'll select the Create button again to add the trailer equipment. When we select Equipment for part of vehicle, only two equipment fields display. We'll select the Equipment Type field, scroll to the bottom of the drop-down menu, and select Semi-Truck Trailer. We'll type an equipment number. In the License Plate section, we'll complete the license plate information. Insurance information is not required with equipment. Our equipment information is complete. We'll select the Add button. A vehicle card for the new equipment is added to the Vehicle subtab, and the equipment is saved to the carrier account. Let's move on to the Commercial Parties subtab. The Commercial Parties page displays shippers and consignees saved to the carrier account. Let's add a new commercial party. We'll select the Create button. The Add Commercial Parties page displays. For type of party, we'll begin with shipper. We'll complete the required shipper information. We'll select the Add button to add the new shipper card and save the shipper to the carrier account. We'll select the Create button again to add the consignee. For type of party, we'll select Consignee. Notice the fields are the same for the shipper and the consignee. We'll complete the required fields for the consignee. We'll select the Add button to add the new consignee card and save the consignee to the carrier account. Let's move on to select the Manifest Templates subtab. The Manifest Templates page displays. All manifest templates currently saved to the carrier account display in the Manifest Template cards. Let's add a new manifest template. We'll select the Create button. The Add Manifest Template page displays. Similar to the Create Manifest process, the progress bar displays at the top to guide the user through the steps to enter header, crew, vehicles, and review data for the manifest. Notice the Bill of Lading step is not included in the manifest template. The Add Manifest Template page currently displays the Step 1 header section. The SCAC and name of carrier in the carrier field are pre-filled based on the account information. The manifest number and estimated date of arrival fields are not available. They are completed during the Create Manifest process. We'll type the estimated time of arrival in 24-hour clock format. We'll type the code for the estimated port of arrival. As we type, a list of matching ports displays. For accuracy in data entry, select the item from the list. In-Transit Manifest indicates a Canada, USA, Canada trip. This is not an in-transit manifest, so we do not need to update the option response. The template name and description fields at the bottom of the page are displayed in each step. The template name must be entered before the manifest template can be saved. We'll select the Template Name field. A list of manifest templates currently saved to the carrier account displays. The template name must be unique. We'll type a new unique name. Although the template description is optional, we will select the field and type a short description to identify our manifest template. The buttons at the bottom of the page are displayed in each step. The Cancel button exits the Add Manifest Template process without saving the information for the step. The Next button saves the information in the step and moves forward to the next step. We'll select Next. Notice the Previous button now displays at the bottom. It saves the information in the step and moves back to the previous step. The check mark beside the header section on the progress bar indicates that all required fields have been completed accurately. The next step is to add crew information. The Step 2 Crew section allows selecting a driver saved to the carrier account or adding a new driver. Fast ID drivers and passengers are not added in the manifest template. All drivers currently saved to the carrier account display in the selectable crew cards. If the crew member we need is not available to select, we can use the Create button to create a new driver. Let's select the Create button to view the Add Crew page. This page displayed previously when we created a new driver in the Crew subtab. A new driver added to a manifest template is also added automatically to the carrier account. We'll select the Cancel button and add a driver already saved in the account. We will search and select the driver we added in the Crew subtab. The system automatically denotes the driver that is selected first as in charge. If we select a second driver, the system defaults to the Not in Charge option. Use the slider to change which driver is in charge. The U.S. destination address information is optional. It can be added here or later in the Create Manifest process. We'll complete the address information. We will select the Next button to move forward to add vehicle information. A checkmark displays for the crew step. The Step 3 Vehicles section allows selecting a conveyance and equipment saved to the carrier account or adding a new conveyance and equipment. All conveyances and equipment currently saved to the carrier account display in the Conveyance and Equipment cards. We'll select the Create button to view the Add Vehicles page. This page also displays to create a new vehicle in the Vehicles subtab. A new vehicle added to a manifest template is also added automatically to the carrier account. We'll select the Cancel button and add a conveyance and equipment already saved in the account. We'll search and select the vehicles we previously created in the Vehicles subtab. We'll select the Next button and move forward to the last step to review all manifest information added to the manifest template. The final step in the Create Manifest Template process is to review all the manifest information and edit any information as required. If a step contains validation errors or is missing information, the step title will display an X rather than a checkmark. All the steps seen here have a checkmark indicating the manifest information is accurate and complete. We provided a name and description for the new manifest template previously. We'll select the Save button to save the new manifest template. We'll search using a partial template name to locate our new manifest template card. Reference the Manifest Template Training Guide for additional details, such as creating a manifest template from an existing manifest. Let's move on to select the Bill of Lading Templates subtab. The Bill of Lading Templates page displays. All Bill of Lading templates currently saved to the carrier account display in the Bill of Lading template cards. Let's add a new Bill of Lading template. We'll select the Create button. The Add Bill of Lading template page displays. Similar to the Create Bill of Lading process, the progress bar displays at the top to guide the user through the steps to enter header, commercial parties, and review data for the Bill of Lading. Notice the commodity step is not included in the Bill of Lading template. The Add Bill of Lading template page currently displays the Step 1 header section. The required fields are marked with an asterisk. The SCAC and name of carrier in the Bill Issuer SCAC field are pre-filled based on the account information. If this template will be used to create a Bill of Lading to submit on behalf of another carrier, highlight, delete, and replace the pre-filled SCAC information. The Bill of Lading number, house bill of lading number, and estimated date of arrival fields are not available in the template. Let's display the bill of lading type menu list. Bill of lading type was formerly known as the shipment release type. Simple bill is the new name for PAPS. Depending upon the bill of lading type selected, additional fields may be required. For example, if we select In Bond as the bill of lading type, an In Bond section displays to input the In Bond type and number, bonded carrier ID, onward carrier SCAC, and transfer bonded carrier ID. Let's select the bill of lading type drop-down menu again and scroll down to the Instruments of International Traffic (IIT) option. For empty containers, empty barrels, or empty boxes, a bill of lading with an Instruments of International Traffic (IIT) bill of lading type must be created. Reference the Create Bill of Lading training guide for additional details about the bill of lading type. We are creating a template for a simple bill. We'll select Simple Bill in the Bill of Lading type field. We'll type the estimated time of arrival in 24-hour clock format. We will type the port code for the estimated arrival port. As we type, a list of matching ports displays. We'll select Buffalo, Niagara Falls. We'll also type and select Montreal for the port of lading. The place of receipt field is an optional field used to specify the city or country where the carrier took possession of the cargo. If this template will reference the authorized use of another preparer's bill of lading, in the Authorized SCAC field, type the SCAC for the authorized carrier. For the question, "Is this subject to FDA requirements?" we will select the No radio button. In the Template Name field, we'll type a unique name. We will select the Template Description field and type a short description to identify our bill of lading template. We'll select the Next button. The next step is to add commercial party information. The Step 2 Commercial Parties section allows selecting a shipper and consignee saved to the carrier account or adding a new shipper or consignee. All commercial parties currently saved to the carrier account display in the selectable shipper and consignee cards. If the shipper or consignee we need is not available to select, we can use the Create button to create a new shipper or consignee. Let's select the Create button to view the Add Commercial Parties page. This page displayed previously when we created a new shipper and consignee in the Commercial Parties subtab. A new shipper or consignee added to a bill of lading template is also added automatically to the carrier account. We'll select the Cancel button and add a shipper and consignee already saved in the account. We will select the shipper and consignee we added in the Commercial Parties subtab. The secondary Notify Party information is optional. It can be added here or later in the Create Bill of Lading process. Use the Add More Secondary Notify Parties button to add a secondary Notify Party. We'll select the Next button and move forward to the last step to review all bill of lading information added to the bill of lading template. The final step in the Create Bill of Lading template process is to review all the bill of lading information and edit any information as required. All the steps have a check mark indicating the bill of lading information is accurate and complete. We provided a name and description for the new bill of lading template previously. We'll select the Save button to save the new bill of lading template. Reference the Bill of Lading template training guide for additional details, such as creating a bill of lading from the bill of lading template. We have completed the procedures to create and maintain the manifest elements saved to the carrier account in the Account tab of the Truck Manifest Trade portal. Thank you for taking the time to view this truck trade video on the procedures to maintain account data. Other videos in the Truck Trade video series cover creating and processing a manifest and creating and processing a bill of lading. Truck trade training videos and training guides are available in English, Spanish, and French versions. Refer to the trade website, ACE Training and Reference Guides page, ACE Manifest Training section to access the complete library of trade truck manifest training resources.